We've all felt it, right? That heart-pounding, senses-on-fire jolt when you just barely miss a car, or when you step onto a stage. Well, that's not just some random feeling. It's your body's ultimate survival kit kicking into high gear. So today, let's pull back the curtain on this absolutely incredible biological response. Just think about that moment for a second. Your heart is absolutely hammering in your chest. Your breathing gets all quick and shallow, and for a second, the world seems to move in slow motion. So what is actually happening inside you to cause such a powerful full-body takeover in like an instant? That intense split-second feeling, it's not random at all. It's a super sophisticated survival strategy that's been perfected over millions of years of evolution. At its very core, that jolt is your body's alarm system basically screaming one thing: get ready for action, and get ready now. It's preparing every single cell, every muscle, and every nerve for a moment of really intense physical exertion. And all this preparation really boils down to one of two outcomes. You've heard of them: fight, where you have to face the danger head on, or flight, where the best possible move is to just get out of there as fast as you can. This response primes you for either choice. So how in the world does your body coordinate this lightning-fast response? Well, it's not magic. It uses a chemical network, kind of like a biological internet, to send these critical messages instantly. And here it is. Meet the endocrine system. It's this whole network of glands spread all throughout your body, from your brain all the way down to your kidneys, and these little guys are the command centers for all of that chemical communication. You know, the endocrine system is a true master regulator. It doesn't just handle emergencies, it's also managing long-term projects like your growth and metabolism. But it's that amazing ability to react to immediate danger that we're really going to focus on. Okay, so if the endocrine system is the network, what are the messages being sent? Well, let's meet these chemical couriers themselves, the hormones. To put it simply, a hormone is just a chemical messenger. A gland produces it, then it hops into the bloodstream, which acts like a highway, and it delivers specific instructions to a target organ to change what it's doing. The whole process works in 4 pretty clear steps. First, some kind of stimulus, like, seeing a threat, triggers a gland. That gland then releases its hormone into the blood. The hormone travels around until it finds a target cell with the right receptor. You can think of it like a key fitting into one specific lock. And finally, that target organ gets the message and response. All right, so we've seen the system and we've met the messengers. Now let's get to the main event and meet the specific hormone responsible for that fight or flight feeling we were talking about right at the start. In those moments of intense fear or excitement, your adrenal glands, which are these little guys sitting right on top of your kidneys, flood your system with the one hormone designed for this exact job: adrenaline. This is our hero molecule for today. And this really just nails its whole purpose. Adrenaline isn't for subtle, everyday adjustments. It's the body's big red emergency button, and it only gets pushed when your brain thinks you're in danger. So what does this fight or flight hormone actually do? When adrenaline hits your bloodstream, it kicks off this incredible cascade of changes, basically transforming your body into a high-performance survival machine. First up, fuel. Adrenaline signals your liver to just dump glucose, which is your body's main energy source, straight into the blood. This gives your muscles the immediate high-octane fuel they need for explosive action. Next, the whole delivery system goes into overdrive. Your pulse and your breathing rate just skyrocket. This isn't just about your heart pounding. It's about rapidly delivering all that glucose and fresh oxygen to your muscles, and just as quickly getting the waste products like carbon dioxide out. Adrenaline also acts like a brilliant traffic cop for your blood. It diverts blood flow away from systems that aren't essential right now, like digestion. I mean, you don't need to be digesting lunch when you're running for your life, right? And it shunts all that blood towards the big muscles in your arms and your legs. And finally, your vision gets an upgrade. Your pupils get wider or dilate to let as much light in as possible. This sends a ton more visual information to your brain, which lets you process the threat and your surroundings way, way faster. And hey, for any of you students watching, here's a little pro tip straight from the source material. You're gonna wanna learn this list of effects. It's not just fascinating stuff, it's a super common exam question, and it could be worth a few easy marks. Just saying. So, when you put it all together, the superfuel, the supercharged delivery, the rerouted resources, and the heightened senses, what you get is basically a set of temporary superpowers.
For a few crucial moments, you are stronger, faster, and more alert than you normally are, all thanks to adrenaline.
It's pretty incredible to think that this entire powerful survival kit is built right into our biology, ready to go in a split second. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other hidden powers are just waiting inside us, ready for the right moment to be revealed? Now, there's a thought to leave you with.